Hi everyone, today we can listen to a letra of the Buleri por Solea course in Maestro's Flamenco. Let's have a listen. Let's go. My name is Curro Frijones. He repeats the phrase. I will not get married in life. To not have obligations. I will not get married in life to not have obligations. And this was a letra that was curious to me because it mentions a personality, and I didn't know who Curro Frijones was, so I went to check it up. And apparently he was a gypsy of a strong personality, and there are anecdotes about his life that then went into his letras. What I found a bit amusing with this letra is that he sang, I'm not going to get married to a particular person. Apparently that was the original letra. He does mention a particular person that he will not marry. And it also probably tells you about his free-spirited nature too. So I think, letras can be interesting, even though we don't know the complete story, but you can imagine certain personalities. And also what I read about was interesting. In Jerez, sometimes they say how well a singer has said the song, que bien ha dicho el cante, instead of how well he has sung the cante, because some letras or some songs have a narrative, a strong narrative to that, and so it's like telling a story. And that then makes me remember what Manuel Soto says in our online classes. And he tells us, imagine a story. Imagine you're saying something. Imagine you're sharing something with someone. So I think that's a useful way for us to get away from being fixated to how to sing it correctly, and instead to think about the emotion and what you are storytelling.